All right, here we go. This is Tremec's new TKX model transmission. We have our 6566 Mustang floor support removed from the vehicle, and we have it mounted to a factory cross member for a 6566 Mustang. We're showing here some of the clearances that go around. You actually have about a fingertip worth of clearance in here, but with it mounted to the cross member, the factory cross member, and showing the floor support, you will have an additional 1/4 inch to 3/8 of an inch that you can go up for the installation of this, which means if you've got a lowered rear end in the vehicle, you can push this up tighter in the tunnel with clearance and have room to change your drive angles on the U-joints. That's a flexibility, and that's nice. So what we're doing here is we're just running around the transmission showing different things. You can see our rubber mount. It's a factory rubber mount to a factory cross member, and our floor support is going over the top. We're going to look down here at the shifter now. Try to anyway. Here we go. You can see we've got light clearance, but when you install the floor support back in the vehicle, you have an option on where you can put it, because you will be welding this back in. So, fitment wise, we've got lots of room. We're going to actually take this and put it into the vehicle. Stand by.
Well, will you look at that, 4 1/4 inches. Hey everybody, we're back. We have some happy times now. We have our brand new Tremec TKX transmission installed in a 6566 Mustang. Here you can see our floor support is temporarily attached, and that's because our subframes are kind of beat up here. That's another story. We'll have to get that fixed. But the position of this member floor support is about 2 3/4 inches rear. We have shots that we can provide you to show you some clearance at the top, how to position the floor support in between the shifter and the casing structure. You'll notice here that we also have the same clearance issue with the factory Tremec shifter on both the T5 and the TKX. Right here we hug the right-hand side. Well, modern DriveLine offers these handy shifters. They're flat on the side. It is also offset 1 inch, which will position the stub location more centered in the tunnel opening front to rear. Here's the coolest part of our new installation. You can see that we have our factory cross member back in place. We're using a standard rubber mount, and we are positioned to our TKX. We have our studs here for our rubber mount. What I'm about to show you is 5/8 of an inch of up and down movement that you can push this higher in the tunnel for you pro street guys that are going to tuck the rear end higher into the body of the car. That's a big deal. You got plenty of room for adjustment for your U-joint angles. So I want to take a moment to talk about the floor support here on the bench rather than in the vehicle. Modern DriveLine recommends relocating the floor support and not cutting it so that you maintain the integrity of the vehicle. So if you're going to maintain stock suspension in the front and rear, this is the minimal way to get it done. And of course, we have you clearance this in the front. When you relocate it 2 3/4 inches back, you want to make sure you have room for your shifter opening before you put it back in. Removing your spot welds, maybe making a slight cut is all you need to do. Hope to see you soon. Check us out at the website, moderndriveline.com. Give us a call and we'll start your package for you, getting your TKX and all of your support elements ready for your Ford conversion. 6566 Mustang shown, all years available. Happy motoring.